Hi. In what capacity are you serving in your church? Are you involved in any ministry? Do you want to be involved in Christian education? Today, I will share 6 reasons why I serve as a Sunday school teacher. For more Sunday school tips and help, please check SVR Media on YouTube and Sunday School Teachers Fiji on Facebook. These are 6 reasons why I serve as a Sunday school teacher. First of all, to share the love of God and spread the gospel message. Second of all, is to impart knowledge and understanding of the Bible and its teaching. Third of all, is to help children develop a personal relationship with Jesus Christ. Fourth of all, is to equip children with the tools they need to lead successful and fulfilling lives. Another reason is to instill values, ethics and morals in the next generation. Finally, is to provide opportunities for children to discover their spiritual gifts and talents for the glory of God. Get involved! Every church needs a Sunday school teacher. I hope you found value in this video, and if you did, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.